1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo here at Unique Specialty in Classics. This one has a 350 small block Chevy underneath the hood, so V8 power. It's been rebuilt 30 over, 5,000 miles on it since it was rebuilt. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission that has also been rebuilt. There's a lot of restoration work that's been done to this car. I'm going to get to that in just a little bit. First off, also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blowing cold. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work grille on the front of this one. Original antique white car, paint code of 11. Interior is blue, 725. Newer vinyl roof. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us. 507-386-1726. It's right on newer American Racing chrome 5-spoke wheels. Radial tires. Radial tires are date coded 2019. There is also a folder full of miscellaneous receipts of work that's been done to this, date coded between that 2019-2021 time frame. There will be a list in the still pictures of a rundown from the previous owner, what has been done to this car. According to the previous owner, 2-owner car. You can see this passenger side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice one little slight ding right there. But overall, this car will turn some heads, has a great look to it. There's that newer vinyl top. Interior's been reupholstered, new carpeting, very stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let's check that out a little closer. As you see, this rear window does have tint on it. The side windows do also. So you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. We had them rolled up in the still pictures, so you can check that out. Take a peek at the chrome in the rear of this car. You can also see dual exhaust. Couple notes from the technician on this car. Brakes 90% front and rear. Slight valve cover and power steering seat. Nothing not out of the ordinary for a car that is driven. Hangers for the exhaust were broke by the mufflers. Just wanted to note that. There is also a build sheet and protecto plate that'll be going along with this car, and you'll see that in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And as you can see, this driver's side also looking very nice. Paint has a nice shine to it. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a little spot here or there where there's a touch-up on it. You can see there. But again, this car would be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Got a good look to it. All right, door panels. Once again, vinyl bench seat up front. That armrest would be removable if you want to take that out. Seat belt's intact. How about this headliner? Headliner looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I have had this radio working as an AM stereo, but
I can't really hear it, barely hear it.
Super happy.
You guys ever take the highway, is it Highway 4? You go north?
and again, AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes. Previous owner did know clock was in on. Dash looking good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Again, 350 V8, rebuilt, 30 over, about 5,000 miles since the rebuild. And remember, in with the still pictures, I will have that list of previous restoration work and what's been done to this. There is that miscellaneous folder receipts, a build sheet, protector sheet, owner's manual, all of that will go with the car. Right now I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check out the engine bay. See how it looks under there. There's a good look at the underside of the hood liner. There it is. You can see newer brake, master cylinder and booster, AC compressor, power steering, cruise control. AC's been converted, 134A, not the R12. And again, that blows cold. Battery shut off down here at the battery for when it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Smooth running 350, approximately 5,000 miles since rebuilt. There you go. Stick around a little bit longer. Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all the still pics are. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is an automatic on the column. Good looking car in white with a blue interior and the wood grain on the dash. Very responsive throttle of this car, which makes it more fun to drive. Our turn signal indicators are working. The fuel gauge shows about 3/4 of a tank. This clock equipped over here, and the speedometer is working. The wipers function. Now the AC blows cool. Say the more throttle you give it, the cooler it gets. A lot of AC is like that if it needs a recharge or a top off. The radio works.
With Mary on what is
Very comfortable highway drive. Monte Carlo, I think, leaned a little bit luxury, just enough to make a much more drivable, enjoyable experience. Power steering, power brakes. That full frame of this car absorbing all the road's bumps, make it for a smooth ride. See one hole in the headliner. Very nice looking inside and out. Good condition car. Brakes are nice and smooth. Maybe a little pulsation in the brakes right there. I'm gonna try that again. Corners luxuriously. Again, absorbing any of the abrupt changes in the road. Such a nice sound coming out the back of this car as well. Just a slight pulsation in the brakes. Sometimes that is affected by torquing the lug nuts all exactly the same. The brakes are very effective and work as they should otherwise. Great looking car. Nice rally looking steering wheel. 72 Monte Carlo. Check out all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.